Leccíon 28. Seat belts mean safety. Seat belts have been keeping people safe in cars for more than 50 years. But cars did not always have seat belts. If a car stops suddenly, people are pushed forward in their seats. In the days before seat belts, more people were thrown out of cars in accidents. People started demanding that car companies do something to protect drivers and passengers. Companies began to develop seat belts, but designing the belts to work well was not a smooth process. The first seat belts only went across a person's waist. These belts attached to the base of the seat in the car. These new belts held people in their seats. However, many people were still hurt in crashes. New types of seat belts were tried. The best new ones went across a person's chest and waist. These belts keep a person's whole body from moving around. As a result, fewer people get hurt in car accidents. Although seat belts helped keep people safe, some people did not want to wear them. Later on, states passed laws that said people must wear seat belts. Today, all cars come with seat belts. Using seat belts makes everyone feel safer.